Elvis with you with a mail call style video. This time we've got a little package from Robert Johnson, and he is over on the 405 Facebook page. He does a lot of stuff on Hot Wheels Marketplace. He does a lot of buy it nows. He does do some other ones too, sales, auctions. You never know exactly what he's going to have, and I'm going to have to get a change of blade apparently for my knife. Let's see if we can get these cars out of here. These are some loose things that I picked up from him. Sometimes you just gotta grab you a loose car. I thought this was pretty cool. So this is, I believe this is Johnny Lightning. Yep, it is a Johnny Lightning. It is the 61 Pontiac Catalina. Nice looking car. Headlights there. Little rough windshield. Little played with, but a pretty neat car overall. Does have the two-piece wheels. They look like slicks, but they are a two-piece, but kind of like a old set of center lines that I used to have. 61 Pontiac Catalina. There you go. Neat little car. Sometimes I just see one that I think, well, why not? Let's add it to the collection. You know? So here is the Johnny Lightning Pontiac Catalina. Yep, this is also a 61 Pontiac. Oh, this is a Pontiac Ventura. Same style wheels. Krieger style. Hood does open so you can see the motor with the three singles. Actually, probably three doubles. That is a pretty car. Nice looking little Pontiac there. Ventura. We'll let the Pontiacs roll around up here together. That is pretty cool. Then we got us some other things in here. Sometimes I'm able to get full sets from him. You know, when I do the reviews, I like to do the sets. A lot of times we'll do the Silver Series. Sometimes we'll do the Premiums. And this, I think, is a set of Silver Series. And this is Silver Series Hyperspeed. Neat card art. The Hybrid Speed. And this is the BMW. My goodness. BMW i8 Roadster. And we've got the Lamborghini Cyan. Let me see if I can get this where we can see. Yeah. Cyan FKP 37. The next one in the hybrid speed is the McLaren P1. Pretty sharp. Our next one up is the Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport. I ain't even gonna know what all that is on the bottom. I do like the paint. Panamera Porsche. A lot of people didn't like it, said it looked like a jelly bean. What do you think? We'll take a closer look at it. Like I say, coming up on one of our opening reviews. 17 Acura NSX. Card art is amazing on them, as always. Let's see, I think we've got one more. A couple more loose ones, I think, and that will do it. But check out Robert's page, 405 Diecast on Facebook. Like I said, he does a lot of different sells. Join the group. Keep up with those sells that he has. Now, I do collect vans. And he had a couple of these vans up. This is one I did not have. The Econoline Ford van. Pretty neat. Nice, clean. Of course, it is a Johnny Lightning. Casting date, or copyright date 2002. There's your casting number there at the bottom. It's sweet. Nice little van. I do like the Econolines. And the last one that I picked up, it is a Johnny Lightning Suburban. That does hood open. You can see that motor a little bit. The Chevrolet 3100 panel truck. Oh, very, very nice. 1950 delivery. Decked out in the Johnny Lightning livery. Pretty cool. I hope you enjoyed it. Give us a like, share, and subscribe. Tell me what your favorite is. And we will do an open review coming soon on the Hybrid Speed. Big Elvis. Talk to y'all later. Take care of each other out there.